Let's dive into one of my favorite strategies, covered call writing. Why would we do it? Yield enhancement. In the end, it's an alternative source of income. It's a strategy that is not reliant on markets appreciating to make your return. If the market stays completely flat, you still make money. So this strategy involves the ownership of stock, and you probably already own a whole bunch of really good stocks in your portfolio. Have you ever used a limit order to sell your stock? Well, think of a covered call like a limit order to sell your stock at a higher price. Now you receive an income for doing this, for giving a speculator the right to be able to buy the shares from you. You're almost renting out the shares upside for a guaranteed profit right now. So let's look at a real example. Apple currently is trading at $248 a share. Now, you could just own the shares and have all the upside or the downside of the stock. We can currently, for 1 month forward, sell a $250 strike call option. So the stock's at 248, and think of it like a limit order to sell it $2 higher at 250. That is currently paying $5 a share or 2% income. So think about it. If you make 2% in 1 month in income, how much can you make over the course of a year if you were able to compound that? The point here is in just 1 month, you made 2% in cash flow, having essentially a limit order to sell your stock at that $250. It does cap your upside, but that $5 that you earned goes into your cash balance immediately. That is as real as a dividend. And that's the key to making this cash flow. Now, if you want a little more volatility and a little more return, let's do an example with something more volatile like Bitcoin. I'm going to use the IBIT ETF here, which is the Bitcoin ETF, which is trading around $58 a share at the time of the recording. Right now, a 1 month covered call at the $58 strike on that ETF is paying $4.50 or just over 7% return in just 1 month. This is all that old adage of bird in hand versus two in the bush. How much upside do you want to be speculating on Bitcoin, or would you rather take the certainty of 7% in cash flow earned in just 1 month? And that's the big trade-off and discussion when deciding whether or not covered call writing is for you. Now let's assume that you've actually done the strategy. Let's discuss what happens over the course of the next month. Now we have given a speculator to be able to buy, in this example, either our Apple shares or our Bitcoin ETF away from us at a fixed price. Now the stock will be rising and or falling or even stay the same. But during that period, the time and the premium that we've earned is being earned by us. Now, 1 month forward, one of two things is going to either happen. Either the stock is above that price level or below. If it's above, the stock will be sold away. Now, we've given a speculator the right to buy the shares from us, and we used it like a limit order to earn this income to have the stock called away. Now, alternatively, if the stock is below that price, we got to keep all of that income and we get to do it all over again. In conclusion, you can see that this is a great cash flow strategy. Now, we can already be earning either interest or dividends on the securities that we own, but here we can now enhance that cash flow to live off of and to pay our expenses on the securities that we already own. It's a great strategy and one that you should learn how to use.